NYC baker makes 500 loaves of banana bread a week and sells out in minutes. Allie Chernick, the 27-year-old photo editor turned baker and creator of Allie's Banana Bread, makes 500 banana bread loaves a week and sells out within minutes. Chernick had been baking banana bread for years using her grandmother's recipe and would make it for her friends in college.
Everyone would freak out and be like, this is the best, can I have the recipe? And because I always thought I was going to start a business with it, I kind of said, no, I don't want to give them it, I'll just make them one.
Chernick created an Instagram account for her creations because she was getting so many orders through word of mouth that she couldn't keep track just through texting. She did further testing of the sales of her banana bread through a Brooklyn market in December 2019. Then the coronavirus pandemic hit, forcing her kitchen to close temporarily. Once the kitchen reopened 4 months later, Chernick's Instagram account had blown up a lot more at that point, she said, and I was getting so many orders that I could finally quit my job and do this full time. Loaves, 条, sell out, 卖光, recipe, 食谱, temporarily, 暂时的 full time 全职